Welcome, children, to the second lesson Rain and Rivers. Today, we are going to see about floodplains and floods, massive tree plantation, and preventing soil erosion. Now, what are floodplains? The river does not contain the same amount of water all over the year. The river is full during the rainy season and it gets shrink during the dry season. Now you are having two pictures here, 2.4 and 2.5. Now if you observe the rivers in the two pictures, in 2.5 you can see the river is full. So it is rainy season, and another picture 2.4, the river is reduced. So it is summer season. And in 2.5 you can see the river is causing floods because the river is not able to hold the water. There is plenty of water and the water is coming on to the plains. And the valley is filled with sand and gravels. The river will flow in the small streams in 2.4. And you will see that there are no trees here. This is because every year when it rains heavily, this valley is filled with water, allowing no permanent trees or plants to grow here. So, this treeless bed is called the floodplain of the river. And all major rivers, they have their flood plains. Now, how to reduce floods? One way of reducing floods is by growing vegetation. Now, what is vegetation? Trees, plants, grass, etc. They come under vegetation. Now, when vegetation is more on the land, it will obstruct the run of the rainwater and it slows down the speed of its flow. And this slowly helps down the rainwater to percolate into the soil. As water is getting percolated, we see the increase in the ground water. And another reasons for floods are by the sudden cause of increase in the volume of water reaching a river. Now, by growing vegetation, it will slow the flow of water into the river and it helps in preventing sudden floods. And it also increase the amount of water which goes into the soil. Another use of vegetation is preventing of soil erosion. Vegetation also helps to prevent floods in another way. It reduces the erosion of soil by rainwater. If there is little or no vegetation, the rainwater cuts and carries with it a lot of topsoil and it deposits the soil on the riverbed. As a result, the depth of the river is increased. The river is not able to hold more water and water is coming out of the river as floods. So, if the surface of the land is covered with vegetation, then soil erosion is greatly reduced. Now, even forests also play a very important role in controlling floods and soil erosion. The tree roots, with their holding capacity of the soil, not only lessen erosion, but they also reduce the flow of surface water, which otherwise resulting flooding. Hence, plantation of trees has to become mandatory. Now, the Telangana government has taken up the plantation very seriously and it has started massive tree plantation. The government is implementing plantation of 230 crores sampling all over the year. And its aim is to plant 40,000 seedlings in each village and 40 lakh seedling in each assembly constituency every year. And representatives of the people, officials, villages, and all the committee peoples are trying to make this program very successfully. To implement it at the village level, we are having Harita Rakshaka committee, which are formed under the chairmanship of Sarpanch. In the same way, district and state level committees are also formed, programmed by planting trees on the roadsides and tank bunds, housing colonies, and communities' lands, etc., are taken by the government. Now, let us take the case of Ganga. In earlier days, there was dense forest on the Himalayas, from where the Ganga and its tributary originated. In the recent years, there has been a large scale felling of trees, and hence the forest covered in the Himalayas has reduced. As a result, whenever it is raining heavily, the rainwater rapidly it is flowing down to the slopes of the mountains, and it is filling up the floodplains of the river. The water is also bringing a large quantity of sand and silt and depositing it on the river bed. And this is resulting in frequent floods, which causes heavy damage to life and property along the river. Okay, children, till now you saw about floodplains, floods, vegetation, and Harita Haram and Harita Rakshaka committees, and the vegetation, how it helped in prevention of soil erosion. Thank you.